Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is on how to make this front twisted turban. I've been getting a lot of requests concerning this style. I decided to share this on my channel. If you're new on this channel, you're welcome. If you're an old subby, welcome back. If you haven't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon so you receive all notifications whenever I upload new tutorials on this channel. So let's get started.
You're a rolling stone, but I'm a cannonball.
You need a stretchy fabric to make this turban as usual. And this is the first thing I did. I cut out 2 pieces of fabric, and then the measurement I used is 22.5 inches by 13 inches. 22.5 inches by 13 inches. That's my head circumference is 22 inches. I added half an inch seam allowance, then the length is 13 inches. I did that in 2 places. So I have 2 pieces of fabric cut out using the measurement 22.5 inches by 13 inches. Now with the right side of each piece of fabric facing up, I folded them into 2, one after the other, and I took them to my sewing machine and I sew like that. I joined the edges together, as you can see. After doing that, I turned the right side of the fabric out. I did that on the second piece as well. Here you're going to make sure that the seam are in the middle and not on the side. So with the part I sew facing up, I'm going to get the midpoint. I just fold each piece of fabric into 2 and I mark the center. Let me take it again. I folded each piece of fabric into 2 so that I can get the midpoint, and I marked it. Now I'm going to use my needle and thread to sew loose stitches, okay, on the center of each piece of fabric. Starting from the first one, I just sew running stitches like that, starting from the first one onto the second one. Please note that I didn't cut off the thread after sewing the loose stitches on the first piece. I continued like that to the second one, and I pulled the thread to form gathers. Alright, so I'm just going to place my needle like that on one side, and we move on to the next step. You need to watch this part carefully. Watch how I'm going to cross these pieces over each other. To take this like this, take this like this, then bring this like this. Let me take it again. This one piece, this is the second piece, sewn with gathers. So you take this like this, you cross it like this, then you bring this like this. So you're going to join this with this. You're going to join this with this. I use my pins to hold them, to keep them in place before I take it to my machine and sew like this, like this. Now this other side, we're also going to join them together like this. We're also going to join this together like the opposite side together. So I'm going to take it to my sewing machine now and sew from here to here and from here to here. Alright friends, I have sewn it, and I sew it like this and like this. And don't forget to take the pins out of your fabric. Alright, so the next thing we'll do now, remember we had 1, 2, so we have number 3 and 4. But this number 4, so we won't sew this number 4. So we are going to take this thread out. So we're going to sew this like this. We'll sew it like this. We'll close this one. Can you see? So we're going to sew this. That's number 3 points. But for the 4th one, we're going to leave it open. Let me sew this and show you. This is the wrong side. So we have sewn 1, 2, and 3. So this is meant to be the 4th side. We won't sew that. So we're going to turn it like this. The wrong side is facing me. And then this is meant to be the 4th side, like I said, we won't sew it. So we're going to sew this last part, this back side. Sew it from here like this up to this point. And after closing this back side, this is the front. As you can see, this is the front, this is the back. Now I'm going to sew loose stitches on the back side from one point to the other point with my needle and thread. Make sure you're using the thread that matches the color of your fabric. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please join the family. Click on the subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and select the option to receive all notifications. Now I'm going to pull my gathers. I'm going to pull my gathers like that, and I'm going to take the needle and thread through again. I'm going to do a back stitch to secure my gathers, and we are done. Was this tutorial helpful to you? Do you like it? Please give this video a thumbs up. Please support by adding a comment below. It is very important. It helps me a lot. Also share this video with your friends. Share with those who you think might need this. I appreciate all your support so far. Thank you. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.